guys, and welcome to my swiftui tutorial. We go to explore more modifiers that apply to the text component today. First of all, I already set up the project. It's a blank new project with a hello world text in the middle. Let's add some more text. I copied some text from the swiftui Apple page and I will paste it. It's about the swiftui description. As you can see, we have a lot of lines and we need to display them all, so we will use the line limit modifier and we'll pass nil. As you can see, now we have a lot of lines but not looking pretty well, so we're gonna set the alignment for them in the center. This can be done by using multi-line text alignment. We can pass center and now the text is centered. Another property that we can apply to change the font size is font, so we can add the font modifier and we're gonna pass sub headline. Looks good. And also we can change the color of the text by using another modifier called foreground color. As you can see, we need to pass a color dot, let's say green, and now we have a green text, not so visible. We can also change the background of the text component. We need to set also a color, let's say gray, not visible also. So I don't know, let's try primary. Yeah, looks better. So we can also space the lines of text by using the modifier line spacing, and we need to send an integer like 4 or 5, I don't know, it's better, right? Basically, these are some of the modifiers that you can apply to the text component. You can also see them by holding command and clicking on text field and hitting inspect. Well, yeah, it's still buggy, but we'll use this by clicking the text and hitting inspect from the code. Now here you see all the modifiers that can be applied to the text component, like font, weight, color, alignment, line limit, padding. So this is all for this tutorial. I hope you enjoy it. See you in the next one.